Koti pranams at the beautiful lotus feet of our Swami Sairam to all. Today I would like to share a very funny incident. Swami always called me Dunnapota or Pakoda. I was always a little plump even in my college days. Even though, most of the other girls, he would call them by their names, I was always called, hey, Dunnapota ikkatra, or Pakoda, idi chesko, adi chesko. Some instructions, always like that. And everybody used to laugh, okay. I didn't mind it much, but then I would hear Swami call the other girls, Geeta, Rajivi, Beena. Most of the girls, he called them by their names. Of course, he used to call some girls Savitri, Chandralekha, and all that. That was Swami's sweet way of giving names to the women. So one day, as usual, Swami had come to the college, and sometimes we would hold the bhajans in the entrance hall of the college building. And it had this very big hall with staircase on either side to go up to the classrooms and also to go up to Swami's rooms on the first floor. So we would have a decorated chair or throne ready for Swami, jasmine flowers, everything, Swami's water glass, everything. The men would sit on one side and the women on the other side. Usually, when Swami comes, I'm always fighting for a front place, somewhere as close as possible to Swami. Okay. So this day, I was a little, I don't know. I thought, oh, always calling me Dunnapota. All the people are laughing. All the girls enjoy it and all that. So I said, today I'm not going to fight and sit in the front. I'll go and sit right at the back. If Swami wants, let him call me by my name. At least once, let him call me by my name. So I went and sat right at the back where, and I was sort of, bent over so that Swami wouldn't see me at all. Right at the back near the shutters, so I was there. So Swami came for bhajans. It's time for bhajans to start. And one of my friend told me, Swami stood up and he didn't sit on his chair and he stood there and he was looking around like searching for somebody. And suddenly, at the top of his voice, very loudly, he said, Jai Shri Aikada. Cat was out of the bag, right? So slowly I had to get up. So he looked at me from there. And so I was right at the back. So I slowly started to move to the front. Ikkada, నీ ప్లేస్ ఇక్కడ కదా నా పాదాల దగ్గర కదా నీ ఫేట్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చి కూర్చో దున్నపోతా he said. But at least he called me by my name. I was quite happy he called me by my name. That is all that I wanted. And that time when he had actually come, he had told us the previous time that I'm coming. Please, all of you girls, you dig pits. I will bring mango saplings and you can plant it all in the driveway, where Swami's car comes into the college, and we all walk into the college to the main door. So we got ready and all of us dug pits, like 10 feet away, so that Swami could give us the saplings. So as promised, Swami came that weekend, and when he got out of the car, he had the sapling spot, and we girls were standing at each pit, one girl was standing to plant her tree. So he came and he started giving one sapling to each of us. So he came near me and he looked at me and he said, Em peru padtavu? Then I just thought and I said, Swami, I will put Upasana for my plant. Then Swami smiled and he said, okay. Then he said, మళ్ళీ పాపం ఇప్పుడు తినటానికి ఉండదు కదా, ఇదన్నీ పెద్ద చెట్టు అయ్యేటప్పటికి 15 years అవుతుంది, ఒకరోజు నీ పిల్లలతో వస్తారు, అప్పుడు ఇదన్నీ తినవచ్చు సార్. Can you imagine at 15 Swami telling that 15 years later you'll get married, come with your children, and then your children can enjoy. But it did happen, no? My son, I got married, my son was born, and he went to Swami's school. Swami's words are Satyamata, Sai Mata, Satyamata. Thank you.